Hi, my name's Cassidy.
And my name's Randy.
And we're just having some fun, so
with ringtones.
Yeah, so don't comment mean things, because I don't like mean people. Okay,
yeah. Okay.
Well, okay. Now, next one. Hold on 1 second. Thank you. Well, that was our second one. This is our third one. Thank you. That was our third. Not Woo! Alright, that was our fourth one.
That was stupid.
Pretty much. Whew. Well, that was our, what was that? Our fifth one?
I'm not sure. 18?
Oops.
Crap.
Hold on.
Technical difficulties. No.
Yeah, no. Psych. Thank you. I was the conductor, obviously, and she was the player. Yeah, that was stupid, but you know, whatever. finales, which is my favorite. I don't know if it's hers.
Yeah.
It's mine too.
This is the best one.
Well, that's it. So hope you enjoyed. Thank you.